Hey, what's up, my subscriber and new subscriber, of course. Today I decided to make a review video about the brake booster from PartsFlow through Amazon. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what's the good, what's bad about it. So this PartsFlow power brake booster supposed to be for a 1998 to 2000 Infiniti QX4 and for a 1998 to 2000 Nissan Pathfinder, and whatever the number is, I think this is the part number, and it is made in China. This is not an open box review, it's the whole review until we put it on and see how it does. But as you can see, it is poorly packed. Just a bubble bag over here, so through the process to when they ship it from there to here, it's meshes and in. This is supposed to be about inch out right here, like all the way out here, but as you can see right now, it's meshed against to that one. So this is the one thing I'm going to give a 4-star review on Amazon. But other than that, so far I see what I got right here and the price what I pay for it. I think it is worth it so far. You get what you pay for it. I can't say anything negative about this, about other than that one. I paid $70. So if I would have paid $150 or $300, this is not worth it. But you get what you pay for it. So being honest about this, long as it worked, I would have, without this one, I would have kept 5-star on Amazon. But as of right now, poorly packed, it would have been nice if there is a styrofoam over here to keep this safe over here, but it's not. It was just a little bubble bag. As you can see the box, there is a hole over there, and on this side as well, and right here, all over the place. This box is like has been built up through the process, the way from there to here. So I would like to send a message for the packer or the seller, whoever put this in the box. Please put some styrofoam over here, and that way it will protect the whole thing over here or all the way around. That way there is no customer going to be complaining about this. Thank you. So I'm going to install this one on the 1998 Nissan Pathfinder 3.3 liter 4-wheel drive, and let's see how will it work. Alright, the old one is out. Let's compare them, how it look like. As you can see, this one over here does not come with a gasket. The reason this gasket is when it rains outside, if the water goes down here, this will help the water not to go inside your car. But as you can see, it will fit perfect right here. I'm going to do it this way because over here it's already damaged right here, so it's still good right here. The water is going to come down and then continue that way on the outside of the car. Before I flip this one over, I'm going to show you a little bit over here, as I was telling you about how this is poorly packed. As you can see right here, it is damaged right here, and this over here should be like that, which it looks better than this one, because this one I done beat on it, hammer it. I tried to fix it, but I didn't succeed. So maybe next time I will succeed. I know I will, but this time I didn't. So as you can see right there, okay, hopefully it does not leak vacuum right here. If it doesn't leak vacuum, I got no problem with this thing. It's just another piece of metal. It's no big deal. But if it leaks, then it's going to be another star down. It's going to be 3-star or 2-star. Going to end up on Amazon. Okay, let's go ahead, flip them over. Hope you can still see it right there. This is the other side. You can see every time you go under your hood. All right. It's got nut right there, and same thing on the new one. And over here, this piece over here, it is a long one on the original one. I think it's an original one or aftermarket, I don't know. But over here, it's like a little lock nut or whatever you call this thing, about this size of this over here. But this one over here is about twice size like that on here, right here. So that's how long is this piece over here, and this over here is like that. So that's the difference over here. This is the old one, and this is the new one right here. It's pretty meshed in, as you can, I think you can see it right now. I'm not sure I can see the camera right now, but I can even take this blue thing off. I'm gonna have to put some kind of thing over here and try to flip out that way. Oh my gosh, this is really bad. As you can, OMG, this thing is meshed right here. Okay, here they are. This is the old one right here. As you can see, the shape, it is very perfectly, and this over here is like it meshed in there. And the old one, it's right here, it's sticking out right here. But this one right here, it should be over here, like sticking out right here. But instead, it's pointing that way. That means it's going to be like here. I think what happened is, when they dropped it or was smashing or hitting on whatever in the truck, it meshed back over there and then meshed in like this. So it messed up the whole thing right here and not this one. But let's go ahead and install this thing. Hopefully there is no air leak over here, and then right here, over here, it shouldn't be a leak right here because there is like a little flange over here. It should lock in the air. The vacuum hose should slide in here, just like this over here, and shouldn't be any problem with that one over here. Let's do this one, guys. Alright guys, 5 days later, I am back with some good news. The number one good news is it's working and it's doing the job like it should. Number two good news, or I should say second good news, that it is fit perfect on over here. It was easy installation. As you can see, it on here is perfectly. I didn't see anything wrong with the diagram or any shape over here. So again, it is a very easy installation, and same all way around. Here, for example, it's the same as everything except that little gasket. That one goes behind this booster right here. That doesn't come with a new one, but the old one is still good, so it should do the job. The purpose of that gasket is sometimes when you seal over here, it gets oil or everything like that, and then water keeps coming down here, and eventually the water go inside your car and be a mess. In my case, all is sealed over here. They still look good, so I don't see any problem anytime soon. The third good news is that it didn't leak any air or vacuum from those damaged part or the piece what I showed you in the beginning of the video. That is a very good news for me because I don't like going through all the process of shipping it back and wasting all my time. I don't like that. The one bad news is that I'm still using this microphone. It is a very good microphone, but I am up to 1,500 subscribers and I need something better. So I did buy the DHI microphone over here, but guess what, guys? It is not working. Actually, this is my second one. I returned my first one. It did not work for me. I did a lot of research. I even watched some video on YouTube and see what the heck's going on. Anyway, the next video I will talk about this one. What's the bad news about it and why I cannot get it to work, and hopefully by the time it will work for me, and maybe I will give you some good news. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you like to do that. If not, that's all good for me. Until next video, bye for now.